In this video, I want to show you a pretty neat technique that I've learned for using your excess zipper tape to make small little zipper pulls or tie outs for your zip sacks. All three of these patterns are on my website, so if you'd like to make a running belt, a hiker wallet, or a zip sack, you can go ahead and download free patterns and learn how to do these yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the zipper teeth off of the tape so that you can have these little webbing pieces to use in your projects. When I buy these small zippers, I just buy them a lot longer than I really ever need to use them, and that way I can cut the ends off to the custom length I want, and I'm always left over with this excess piece of zipper. So what I want to show you is how to remove the teeth from the ribbon itself. And there's really only one tool that does this well, and that's just a small seam ripper. And the first thing to do is just remove a couple of the threads between the teeth and the ribbon. Here you can see I have the first couple teeth lifted from the ribbon, and you should start to see a top piece of thread that goes the full length of the teeth. Now there's a little bit of a trick here. If you start from the correct side, this top thread will pull very easily through the whole set of teeth. If you find that once you start pulling this thread that it doesn't want to come free and you have to cut it every couple teeth, just start from the other side. So if you've picked your side correctly, you can really just grab this top thread and pull it completely out of the teeth. And there you go. Once you've done that, the teeth are completely free from this piece of ribbon that matches the rest of your zipper. And the last thing to do is just clean it up by removing the rear thread. And again, it'll just pull directly out. And you have this piece of little webbing or ribbon that's finished on both sides, and you can use it in your projects.